Hi guys, Suela here from Expressive Brush Art Studio. I invite you to join me today on Thursday, October 13 at 6:30 p.m. for our oil pastel class. We do this every Thursday at the studio. And if you are new to this medium, I invite you to come and join me because it's fun to work with. It doesn't matter whether you are a beginner or you are still discovering the painting with oil pastels, or if you're just simply curious and want to learn more about this medium. This is the perfect class where I will guide you with step-by-step instructions how to create a piece, how to create let's say, landscapes. This is what we are doing this month. And what I do usually to turn the oil pastels into paint, I just mix paper towel with oil here and then just blend the colors together. And you'll see how the colors flow and it gives you this kind of wet watercolor look. I am not using any special oil. This is simply cooking oil. So vegetable oil is fine. So again, join me every Thursday at the studio and come and create with me. I'm sure you guys will love it. See you there.